Tired of unreliable Wi-Fi that drops just when you need it most? Imagine getting wired internet speeds, up to 1000 megabits per second, without running a single new cable through your walls. That's exactly what the TP-Link Powerline AV2 adapters offer. They transform your home's electrical wiring into a high-speed network, delivering stable, secure connections for everything from smart TVs to gaming consoles. I was skeptical at first. My home's Wi-Fi always struggled, especially with devices spread across the basement and second floor. Running Ethernet cables wasn't an option, it meant tearing through finished walls and floors. Then I found these Powerline adapters. After plugging them in and pairing the devices, the results blew me away. Speeds matched what I got directly from my router, around 80 megabits per second, and the connection stayed rock solid. Even when I tested with my fake fireplace heater plugged into the adapter's integrated power socket, the speed didn't budge. That patented power saving mode also cuts electricity use by up to 85%, so you're not just getting speed but efficiency too. What's great is how simple it is to set up, no tech skills or complicated configuration needed. Just plug the adapters into outlets on the same electrical circuit, connect your device via the gigabit Ethernet port, and you're ready to stream, game, or work with zero buffering. The integrated power socket means you won't lose an outlet, and compatibility with all TP-Link AV series adapters ensures you can expand your network easily. Keep in mind, these adapters don't provide Wi-Fi. They're designed solely for wired connections, which makes them ideal for devices that demand consistent speed and low latency. If you've been battling weak Wi-Fi or slow streaming, this solution is worth a look. It's especially handy for homes where running new Ethernet cables is impractical. Plus, with the power-saving feature and plug-and-play design, it's an upgrade that pays off quickly. Try it when you're ready to stop buffering and start enjoying your online experience without interruptions.